Hello YouTube world, here I am back again. Today I am doing a stormy seascape. I want to be a little bit more dramatic, and here I am cutting up my swiping tool of choice. Actually, I always forget to do that, so there's always something. This is table paint. I scraped a paw, very rarely scrape a paw, but miraculously enough it kind of came out of a phthalo turquoise type colour, but there is all sorts of colours in there, from orange to silver to oh, I don't know what, black. So we're going for a stormy seascape, and this painting, I had to work for this painting. Actually, do you know, I do the majority of the time have to work, and I have to push through things going wrong, things not coming quite right. But actually, normally a painter would go through those stages with any kind of painting. They go through a stage where they absolutely hate it and it's not working, and you just have to keep going, you just have to keep working at it to bring it back to something that you like. So here I am, I'm doing a flip cut for the sky. Now I want a stormy sky, so I'm using the pearl white, because pearl white will sink and give you effects. This is, what is this colour? That's Silver Limit by Daleroni. What's next? I think that might be black. No, it's a different silver, deeper silver, or is it? That is Payne's Grey. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover, and I did this painting 2 weeks ago, and you know, my memory is shocking. And I decided to add some house paint. Now I added the wrong kind of house paint. I added matte emulsion instead of silk emulsion, and you get all sorts of horrible effects, and you'll see what happens. You get a kind of a grainy and all sorts of wonky cells happening. But anyway, we will push through. Bit of a splurger. It's been a long time since I've done a proper flip cut, and I want to create movement in the sky. And I'm just thinking, making it up as I go along, really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up, actually, and I don't think I've cut any out, but there's going to be a point where it gets really fast, and you'll see as I tilt this. Number one, I forgot to do a consistency check. So in a flip cut, if you have paints at different thicknesses, you're asking for trouble. Number two, I'm not just tilting left to right for uniformity. I'm going down, I'm going up, I'm going sideways. And look at those wonky cells. And that's what I don't like to see in a paw. I don't like to see wonkiness. And it's crazy. I was going for stormy sky. Well, that's just crazy sky. There's no point in giving up, you just have to press through. So now I'm going to add my colours, and I'm going to shut up, and I might interject every now and then. Okay, so I've got to do something about that sky, haven't I? And this is where I think I do cut a lot out because it just goes on forever. It's a wonder my phone still had a battery. Anyway, I just start swiping with my various cell activators. Oh, I didn't notice that before, just drip paint everywhere. Typical me. Bish bash bosh, that's my nickname. So I just want to point out here that in any painting you do, it's good to have contrast. You need to concentrate on your darkest darks, that you've got some darks, and you need to concentrate on your whitest whites. Otherwise you're going to have a painting that's very bland. And you need those highlights and you need those darkest spots for the painting to have some contrast. And also what's a good idea is one corner of a painting you have it quite dark, because that draws your eyes into the composition. And you can see already that this is starting to look a lot better. It's very busy. And I think after this I add some more white right across the top. Sometimes I'm amazed that these paintings dry actually without cracking, but they do, because I fling a lot of paint at the canvas. So close up of the wet results, really pleased. It was a bit of an epic battle, but I won. But I do have a vision for this, and in a minute I'm going to jump straight to the end results, because actually I didn't video what I did to this, but it wasn't a great deal. But in the end, I'm quite pleased with the results. Lot going on, but sometimes in fluid art, here we go, you just need to do a few things to bring it all together, and I really did concentrate on whitening the whites up, and I added some surf there and darkened that corner up and added some texture too. Didn't take me very long, only 5 minutes. A little bit of a crest of a wave there, and I've got to practice that technique actually. I'm sure I can do better than that. So there you go, Ocean Storm, first of a few. Thanks for watching.